Hey guys, it's Kay. Hopping straight into this video. I was sent this wig from Vshow hair, and be sure to check below in my description box because there will be links to this wig just in case you want to purchase it. So this wig right here was for sure a showstopper, y'all. I don't know if it was like the juicy curls that it was given or the fact that it just looks really natural. So I did get a 16-inch curly textured wig, and all the details will be listed in my description box as well. The knots don't come bleached on this wig, but I'm not really worried about it because the knots are super tiny that they look undetectable, and all you have to do is add finishing powder just so the lace can blend in a little bit better depending on your skin tone and skin complexion. So yeah, I just go in and add my styling foam to the lace just to make it melt a little bit better, and add that elastic band. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and voila, y'all. But that's all I do to install her. So this is the product I use on this curly wig, you guys. It's by the brand Cake. It's the Curl Friend, and I swear by this stuff. I love using it on my real hair and my curly wigs. It defines the curls so well. It doesn't leave the curls hard or crunchy.